Madam Love! So, I am excited to show you not just 1, 2, but 3 Chanel 25 in small size ang ipapakita namin. So, open na po natin siya, mga Madam Loves. Unbox natin itong isa. This is the first one. This one is the beautiful Chanel 25 Mall in classic caviar skin gold hardware, mga madam. So this one is the most sought items anywhere around the globe, mga madam. Kaya nung kinuha ko siya sa Bond Street, London, talaga nakatingin lahat ng mga other clients na nandoon, mga madam, kasi tayo ang nabigyan netong color black in gold hardware. This is the another Chanel bag ng aking madam. This one, mga madam, talagang hinintay ni Madam Bicol ng 2 months. So this one in ruthenium hardware. As you can see yung C niya dito. And then, of course, the other C is in gold hardware. And of course, the chain, mga madam, is a combination of gold and ruthenium hardware, mga madam. So this one is in shiny calf skin. So it's different from caviar. So i-compare natin sila, mga madam. As you can see, this one, the two-tone hardware, is available at the shiny calf skin, and the classic gold is in caviar leather, mga madam. So this one is a limited edition piece. Yung two-tone hardware, mga madam. Actually, she's been waiting for 3 months on this specific Chanel 25. So, lagi ko talagang ino-offer sa kanya itong caviar, pero talagang wala. Napakahirap hanapin. And also, since November 12, nung nag-video po ako sa Chanel store, meron na pong Chanel 25 mini size. So, as of now, puro Chanel 25 small talaga ang in-order nila, madam, so that they can use it every day, mga madam. So this one, ayan po yung shiny, and then this one is the classic caviar. So let us know kung ano pong mas gusto ninyo. And of course, papakita na natin ang pangatlong Chanel 25 this November batch. And our third Chanel 25 small bag is this one. I love the color, mga madam. This is the beige color, mga madam. Plus Paris batch, halos lahat ang tanong sa akin is this beige, mga madam. And ngayon natin siya nakuha this November batch. So as you can see, ayan siya, mga madam. Comes in gold hardware of your skin. So this is it, the beige Chanel 25 in small size. Ito po yung laman niya, mga madam. Look at this. This is what it looks like on the inside. And of course, the cereal, it's here. For inquiries, mga madam loves and bossing, again, Baggage PH, always buy from the official stores. Brand new and fresh from the store, mga madam ko. Nandito ang inyong lingkod, your global luxury creator, Baggage PH. Your happiness is our success.